Hi, my name is Ken Bone, and I serve as the Business Development and Customer Success Manager for Canfigure Limited. I'd like to spend a few minutes showing you a quick example of our asset management module. Specifically, I'd like to discuss our tools management inside. As you can see on my screen, our asset module may include any number of assets, from vehicles to customer locations, from inventory, and also to specific tools configuration items. As we dig deeper into tools, you can see on the asset dashboard in this example database that we have the ability to show whatever you desire. In this example, we're showing you the number of assigned tools, the tools that are spare or still in our storage location, and the tools due for return that have been checked out. Clicking on the asset menu on the left takes us to the specifics of the database. In this discussion, I'm going to go straight to the tools item, which shows us a list of all the tools entered into the database. Clicking on a specific tool line will take you right into the detailed information about the tool. Bear in mind that these attributes are fully customizable. You can add, remove, change, or reorder any of the attributes based on your process and as you desire. You'll notice that the information is divided into 6 areas. The main information screen, which is this top part here, includes the asset ID, the display name, a description, the status, what date it went into service, and what category it is. You can also enter subcategories if you'd like to. It also includes an identification tab with a specific asset tag, the year of manufacture, the make of the manufacturer, the model or brand, and a serial number. On the assignment tab, you'll notice it can denote an owner. In this particular case, it's the asset manager and who it's assigned to, whether it's a customer or a specific tech or user, when it was checked out, the return date that it's due, the assigned location and the tools. In this particular case, this is assigned to the tools locker in Dallas. A sub-location if you want to enter one, and also any assigned comments that you might have. And now, just a little bit about workflow here. There are really many ways that we can do assignments. So the top 3 right now for workflow include number 1, tech can check in and check out tools using the mobile app or the application on a computer, or we do have an iPad application also coming. So you can allow your techs to check in and check out. In the second example, we have an asset or tools manager that does the check-in or check-out, and they enter that into the database either by mobile app or the application itself. You can also, another popular method, number 3, is the tech is able to check out tools, but the tools manager or asset manager does the check-in, which allows you full control of your tools as your process dictates. So we can accommodate any of those and many more types of workflow and process for assignment. There is a maintenance tab, and in this particular case, you can list the current condition, reading dates, when it's end of life, when the last time. In this particular case, I've entered an asset maintenance schedule. So for this tool, every 30 days, it's inspected, cleaned, reported condition in the database, and then returned to storage for checkout. In the finance tab, there are many options here: financial status, account code, who the vendor is that you get them from if you want to track POs and invoice numbers, and the purchase date and purchase price. You can also track depreciation of the tool or disposal. Again, all of these you can track, or you can simplify the form and say, I don't need any finance data, I'm tracking that somewhere else. There's also an attachments tab where you can upload documents. They're just drag and drop. In this particular case, I've attached a picture of the tool, which is an airflow meter. But again, You can drag invoices, you can drag work orders, anything that your heart's desire can be attached to a specific tool for a specific person. Let's go back to the assets menu for a second. There's a lot of different ways to enter your tools, but the easiest way from the tools menu is just click this plus sign here in the upper right-hand corner. And as you can see, it asks you for the attributes that are in the database at this point, but again, they can be modified to your heart's content. That's the easiest way to enter them. There's also importing and several other ways. It really just depends on your process. And that's it for tools. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please email or call me if you have any questions, comments, or concerns with what you've seen. And as always, I'm pleased to offer you a full demonstration at your convenience. Don't forget also to check out our website at Canfigure, www.canfigure.net. And there's more information on our asset management, IT service management, and other modules here. So thanks again for joining. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.